The first are the two C's that make stories more compelling. It's curiosity, which we've kind of touched on,
Mhm.
because every good story engages the audience with curiosity by creating questions that are in the audience's mind, questions that will be answered by the time the story ends, hopefully. But characters, we really haven't gone into much. Perhaps you can give us some more insight around characters. And I love the story on your mom and the story that you created with her with the galvanic spa when you and your brother were first starting in the business. And you needed credibility and you wanted to make sure that the character fit the intended audience that you were going after.
Yeah, so I think giving some insight to the characters and then bringing them to life, right? Using some of the other tools, whether that's uh, dialogue, giving them a voice, or to personify them. Like there's almost an act out, right? Certain posture, certain. I mean, if you can do an accent, great. I can't. I'm not that talented, but like anything like that, that kind of makes that character come alive. But in certain situations, the right characters can be the connection point, right? So what you referenced, we had a device that we sold early in our business that was angled at middle-aged women. I'm not the target audience, right? Like, and so I can't connect. I don't have a level of credibility there. And so I thought about, okay, who's literally when that product came out, I was like, who is the person I'm closest with in that target audience? It was my mom. So I sent her one. I was like, hey, you need this product. You need to try it out because one, I want to see how it works. And then from there, I could use her story and that character for her to be the connection point, right? So if I'm talking to in that situation, the target audience, a middle-aged woman, I can say, you know what? My mom had an amazing experience with that. And let me tell you, and my mom becomes the connection, right? Because they connect to the character. Sometimes people connect to different things in a story. It could be the struggle, could be the character, it could be you as the storyteller. Like there's lots of different connection points. And so thinking thoroughly through that and being strategic about it makes a lot of sense.